Hey everyone, welcome back to Overland Trails Adventures Garage, and today we're in the Grenadier. It's kind of rainy outside, but we're trying to finish up on a project of adding a handle to the driver's side where we can get in, grab it, pull ourselves in like the passenger side has. So as you can see, we're in the Grenadier, and let's take a look and see what the project entails. So if you can, get you one of these tools for interior parts of the car where it's plastic, it's not going to tear anything up when you use it. Once you got the bolt out, you should be able to pop it off. The key here is there are airbags behind this and you don't want to mess with them. So you can see that came off real easy. It's just got a clip here and a little spot up there. It holds in. You can already see right here is where we have the pre-drilled holes for the handle already, because being a car that can be used in Europe and in America, it comes with both sides prepped basically just like it. This is the airbag. Do not damage that. All right, let's go cut some holes. Okay, to get this done, we've got the A-pillar, of course. We've got the template. I'm going to use a blue Sharpie here to mark it, and we're going to use the Dremel with a pretty good blade here to cut the holes. They don't have to be exactly rounded and perfect. They just need to be cut through. And as you can see here, this is really all we need to cut out so this can go through. And these overlap just a little bit there, so we're going to be able to kind of shape them a little bit, make sure it doesn't, get too out of control. First things first, we're going to get this in position and we're going to tape it down to the pillar here. So when I'm marking, everything won't slide around. Now, according to the instructions I looked at, it said to put this towards the windshield, line it up with this hole. These here should be your holes. It should line up as such. So just to make it easy, I'm going to cut some little holes first here. Because one thing is sure about this A-pillar piece, I'm betting it costs a lot of money. And once you cut, you can't take it back. So we've got a bit of a hole here. Let's see if it fits. Basically fitting there. Cut the other one too and match this up. I like to take a little file here and file down the edges. Just don't like doing anything kind of halfway. Alrighty, looks like we got our holes cut good enough, but this now fits just perfectly right in there like that. You can't see the edges. This should bolt down fairly easy. And then really one of the cool things about this is you have this railing here, a little T-rail, where you can mount microphones, cameras, whatever you want to, a phone holder, CB holder, GMRS radio holder, whatever you want to do. Test fit time. So let's go ahead and get this back in place here. This will just kind of snap back in. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see if this sucker lines up. Not gonna lie, these are pain in the butt screws to get to because they're way up in here. I do recommend using a hand driver, and this bit is a T30, but I have a power tool. You could easily cross thread these. That's the main challenge, is to get them in right. The only way to feel it is by hand. And we're gonna hit it with a little bit of stronger drill here just to kind of tighten them down. Okay, project done. Got the new grab handle in. If you have any questions about the install, just let me know. There is, I think, a video on Agile's website, and they have better instructions, better videos than me, but this is real world experience. The door's all wet now because I've been doing it in the rain. So join us next time for upgrading the Grenadier or any one of the Toyota Tundras we have with either the Alu cab or the four-wheel camper on it. Lots more to come this summer. We're going to be taking trips. We're going to be doing installs, testing gear. We're going to be at several shows. So stay tuned, and we'll see you on the trails.